Alright, it is Monday, February 24th, 2020 at 10:28 p.m. Alright, let's take a look at some of these headlines. Trump administration asked Congress for 2.5 billion to combat coronavirus. The White House submitted a request to Congress on Monday for 2.5 billion in supplemental spending to help combat the global coronavirus outbreak. The request included 1.5 billion in new money, with the rest coming from upsent funds. The measure would help the federal government as well as state and local agencies potentially prepare to respond to an outbreak and allocate cash for vaccine development, and a senior administration official told Fox Business. Alright, so that's a lot of money to be asking, but it at least would help combat the coronavirus. Alright, also, Harvey Weinstein found guilty of rape, but acquitted of top criminal charges. The jury in New York convicted Harvey Weinstein, 67 years of age, of third-degree rape, as well as count of criminal sexual acts in the first degree. Harvey Weinstein, a once powerful Hollywood mogul, was found guilty of rape in the third degree Monday, but acquitted on the two most serious criminal charges, capping a landmark trial of the Me Too era. Alright, next, stocks plummet as global coronavirus case spike. So the stock market has been plummeting because of the coronavirus and the crisis that it's causing. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was down more than 900 points minutes after opening on Monday as fears associated with the ongoing coronavirus outbreak spread beyond China and cast a pall over the global economy. Alright, next. Italy warns people not to panic buy as coronavirus cases rise in the north. Says Italy was racing Monday to contain the first major outbreak of the deadly new coronavirus in Europe, prompting fears that the international community is losing the battle to prevent the virus from becoming a full-scale pandemic. The epicenter of the outbreak is in northern Italy, where at least 7 people have died, and the number of confirmed cases jumped from 3 on Friday morning to at least 229 by Monday evening. Authorities announced sweeping restrictions over the weekend for parts of the regions of Lombardy and Veneto. The restrictions affect about 100,000 people. The Civil Protection Agency estimated on Monday, while most cases have been reported in 2 regions, there were additional cases in Emilia-Romagna, Piedmont, and Lazio. A team of health experts from the World Health Organization and the European Center for Disease Prevention and Control arrived in Italy on Monday to assist local authorities. Tourist attractions have been closed, private meetings have been banned, and schools have been shut. People inside these areas are being asked to stay inside and avoid contact with others. The measures also include transport restrictions in some places and the surveillance and quarantine of individuals who may have been exposed to the virus, according to Italy's health minister. The World Health Organization said it was concerned over what it called a rapid increase in reported cases in Italy. However, it should also be noted that based on the current data, in the majority of cases, 4 out of every 5 people experience mild or no symptoms, the organization said in a statement. While Europeans officially are still urging for calm, and Italian authorities believe that the spread has been contained in the fact the outbreak of this scale has happened in a European Union member state, it will spark fears of water contagion, given the EU's area, which allows people in most EU member states to move between countries without border checks. The majority of the deaths and cases are in Lombardy, not far from Milan, the region's capital and world-famous tourist hotspot. The city was far quieter than usual on Monday morning, with even its famous Gothic cathedral closed to tourists, and even its major financial capital. The news of the outbreak appeared to trigger a run on some supermarkets. People wearing respiratory masks wait in line to get to the supermarket in Casteldurango, southeast of Milan, on Sunday. Milan's mayor said that rather than dash into the supermarkets to grab food, perhaps we should spend time looking after the most vulnerable, such as old people who are particularly at risk. The president of Milan told CNN that while some shelves were empty at her supermarket, she was able to stock up enough supplies to tide her over. I'd never seen it before, but I must say the rest of the supermarket was okay. The empty shelves were only regarding pasta, biscuit, and canned foods. No problem with fresh fruit and vegetables, she said. I don't really understand how serious the situation is. I just wanted to buy something and be prepared for the week. Masks are unavailable in all the pharmacies, and via Amazon it will take a couple of weeks to have them. People brought all of them, and pharmacies run out of stock. I guess same with hand sanitizer. And here you see a picture of the store shelf, a half empty supermarket shelf in Milan. So a lot of people are panicking and just buying whatever they can to get through this disaster. Alright guys, hit like and subscribe for more videos, and see you guys next time. Remember, I have a sponsor, Dave's Empire 1981. Check him out in the description below. Check out his link. It'll take you to his shop, and you can check out his items. Alright guys, see you next time. God bless.